First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Underneath the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Once the hood is opened, right there is the engine and this is the location for engine air filter. We'll take out the first bracket, which is right here. That was the first one, and that's the second one right there. Once both the brackets are pulled down, now we'll grab the top cover like this and lift it a little upwards and then slide the top cover towards yourself. Just like that. That is how you take out the top cover. And also there you see the engine air filter. Notice there's that tab right here. We will just grab it from that tab and then lift it upwards. Just like that. That is how we take out the filter. Now in my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this outline like that stays at the top and the other side like this stays at the bottom. So we will go ahead and punch in this filter back. Before punching in the filter back, just make sure that this tab side goes towards the battery. So we'll just show you right now. We lift the top cover, punch in the filter. Make sure it's in from all over the edges, and seems like it is. Now we are good to go ahead and punch in the top cover. Notice behind the top cover there are two tabs. One tab right here and the other tab right there. So we have to make sure that these two tabs are actually slided into these two positions right there. We will punch in the top cover in a way that those two positions are aligned. We'll grab the top cover from the top side and then make sure that those two tabs are slided into those two positions. Just like that, you notice both of those two tabs are completely in position. Now we will come at the front and punch in both of those brackets. Make sure you're also pressing the top cover down. Then we go ahead and punch in the bracket. First one is in. And there we got the second one in as well. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle. And to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.